And yeah, we are here, and I'm with pajamas still. My mom bought me these pajamas. I don't know why. And yeah, we are going to film because, like, sorry. Brush my teeth. And Seuss has gone from Frogs, and next week maybe next week you're gonna see my Doberman or Doberman, whatever it's called or something. Hey, honey buns. Hey, honey buns. See? Yeah. This is my life. Okay. I keep doing my life. Like, what the heck? It's like a dumb thing to call it. Nobody has ever done my life. But they drew their life, but they never did their life real. YouTubers, if you're watching this, I just made up a challenge, and I'm not doing it. It's called All Ketchup Challenge. So if you have like a hamburger, if you like ketchup, you can do it. Hamburger. What if you have a hamburger, for example? You have to put all the ketchup on it. You have to waste it for the fries. For the ketchup. You put all the ketchup in it. And then you eat it. You eat it. You eat it. I know what one bad is about this. It can hurt your stomach. Second, if you love it, then just do it. I don't care. Kind of like my dog. My dog. Her name is Honey Buns because my mom named her. I need you. See, look at the camera. Look at the camera. See, it's you. You're a dog. Okay. Don't make it too rough. Her, yeah.
La falta de deseo sexual está perjudicando su relación de pareja. A medida que pasan los años, el flujo de orina se restringe. Hoy existe Prospera, que le garantiza aliviar su problema en menos de 40 días.
If you want to come to my house, yeah, we can pet. She's really nice. If she barks, she still like you. She'll still follow you. Yeah, she'll still like you.
Naturales que le garantiza reducir las frecuentes idas al baño, mejorar el flujo de orina y volver a tener una vida plenamente sexual.
See, it's one of my best dogs. But I love Dobermans better than her because she was different. She wasn't showing that good. Oh my God. Honey buns. Something hard. I know you're gonna bark, but oh yeah, her hair, it's dry. Where is it? Honey buns. Ya párate. No. Cálmate. No. Anda abajo.
Si las líneas están ocupadas, vuelva a insistir. Llame ahora mismo 1-800-493-7411.
There. It still feels hard, but feels sharp. Oh, it's this. Okay. I know it's hard to get it out, but yeah. You're a drum! Okay. Look at this dog. This dog's special. Oh no, it's not special actually. I never see. She's white. Like the white one is furry. Oh, this white thing. Okay. I don't want to get too rough with her. This is actually not my life. This is my dog. See, you know, from Fabrizio, the Pokemon man. She is. Wonderful. But later I can wash my face after I eat.
Lávate. We're going out. Now.
Oh, okay. Okay. Dang it, my dad's so mad at me. Oh, now he just disappeared. First of all, I'm going to brush my teeth. Second of all, I'm going to wash my face. Okay. If you don't know that you're going out, just wash your face. No, that's too cold. What about both? Yeah. No. A little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's warm. Oh, that's warm. Okay. What's happening? Oh, she's gonna go. Come on, get out. Okay. Oh my god, what the heck? My eye is burning. Oh my god, what the heck, what the heck, what the heck? What the heck? Oh my god. Okay, second. Peace. Peace. The video is supposed to end to think. Oh. Supposed to end. Okay. Now we can just close this. Bye guys. Love ya. Peace. Subscribe to me and leave a comment.